Getting your process right means getting your assembly right. Introducing our flagship product, HPConnexx Custom Single-Use Assemblies. Fabricated in our state-of-the-art ISO Class 7 clean rooms, HPConnexx is completely customizable, regardless of brand or part, and created to each customer's unique specifications. We blend innovative solutions to deliver a truly custom product for our customers. Alongside our single-use engineering team, with their extensive knowledge of unit operations, we listen to our customers' challenges and find the perfect solution, whether they're starting with 1 assembly or 1,000. We have no minimums on order size, and our competitive production timelines mean that we can provide lead times of weeks, not months. Our assemblies are used in a number of processes, including buffer and media prep, tangential flow filtration, TFF, chromatography, and sterile filling applications. To complement HPConnexx, we also offer additional services completed on-site, such as system integrity testing, material compatibility testing, and bioburden and sterility testing. These are all completed in our state-of-the-art labs and executed by our research, design, and validation services team. From our state-of-the-art facilities, our expert teams act as an extension of your organization, enabling you to stay focused on productivity and innovation while we remain committed to advancing your bioprocessing objectives from discovery to commercial launch. As your trusted partner for custom single-use assemblies, we'll bring your vision to life and streamline your process.